pinaka-crush mo doon sa tatlo?
Si Brett po.
Si Brett.
Si Brett din po, tsaka po si James.
Si Brett. Kasi po, talented, tsaka ang ganda ng mata.
Can you make a song now?
Song like on the spot?
Yeah.
So, it won't sound good, but I can try it out. Today I met the nicest people. Decided we don't to eat.
Sinong crush niyo?
Then I swam in the pool. I was really dirty, but
Probably Fritzy.
Fritzy po. But it's okay. Cause we're smiling anyway. Trisha.
Good thing your parents allowed you to come here.
Yeah, otherwise we never had this opportunity.
It was awesome. And then,
When you're on holidays, don't travel with your parents.
do you know any Tagalog words or something?
I know one,
What?
Mabuhay,
Buhay.
because I saw that at the airport.
Lahat naman po sila mababait.
Kyra, right?
Yeah, ano yun?
Would you happen to have a number I can get? Maybe I can contact you if I'm coming back to the Philippines.
Oh, it's okay. Can you write it?
I don't have a pen. I didn't.
Wait, I think I have a paper.
888. Oh, thanks. Awesome. Britt, we should get going because he still has to contact his mom for the tickets. I'm being so friendly and lovely.
Bye. Okay. Meeting you.
Nice meeting you all.
It smells really bad, but I was thinking I was gonna leave this here.
Devin, right?
Just for you guys, I don't know. Yeah, remember.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you.
It smells bad though, so you might want to wash it first. Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. I see.
Sorry.
Oh, it's nice.
Bye.
Mga toymates, kamusta yung pagbisita niyo sa kabila?
Great.
Great, po. Mission accomplished, po.
Everyone's so nice there. Oh.
Mission accomplished ba talaga?
Opo.
Pero mukhang may nakalimutang gawin sina Carson at James.
Ano yung number?
Hey, the souvenir.
You were supposed
To the girl you like.
You guys saw my number.
It's not a souvenir. Ano yung kasunduan natin kanina? Dahil hindi niyo nagawa lahat, ang isang kasama niyo sa apartment ay mapapahamak.
That means one of the apartment people's gonna suffer. They shouldn't suffer over a mistake that we made. If someone should suffer, it should be the three of us.
Pero yun ang usapan natin kanina.
You said no.
Yun ang deal natin.
You know, it was a...
You will know soon. Sige, mga backpackers, balik na kayo sa apartment.
Sige po.
Matapos na sikasuhin ng mga bisita, agad na pinuntahan ng girls sa mga kinulong nilang boys.
Meron silang kasama mga lalaki kanina.
Nakakaselos lang. Mukha tayong tanga sa loob, pare, di ba?
Nagpipigil lang kung isa na lang sa mga lalaki.
Nagjijeling ka.
Pero kung nagtampo na ang boys sa kanila.
Hindi naman managay si Fitzy, hindi pinapansin. Oo nga, galit kayo.
Nakuha pa kayang mag-iwasan ng Villa Teens kapag natanggap na nila ang sunod-sunod na balita ni Kuya.
Ikaw ay pinapatawag ko ng forced eviction. Shame.